Okay.
Now, hey, hey, ha, ha, ha. Hello, how you doing? Karibuni tena to Lolwe TV Fitness. You know how we do? You know, tuingia tukidance. Mimi kama Afropop, I always check in with a move and a smile and a bottle of water. You know, I hope you guys are doing well, man. It is so nice to have you here again. Yeah, how was your weekend? How was your weekend? How you feeling? Yeah? Umelala salama? Umempakwa? Karibuni sana. So, as usual, you know how we do? Get some space. Space. You need to move, you know, because we're about to warm up. Warm up. Hey. Sima bongumu. Rahisi tu. Let's move. Move your hands now. And smile. Mapema sana. Hey. Now, we go side to side. Hey. Tafuta space. Tap kidogo. Amsha kila mtu kwa nyumba. Let them wake up. There's no time for lazing around. Eye on the spot. I tell you, even the neighbors are waking up. Hey, move your hands, man. Again, we move. Pull. Pull. Hey. Huh? Aye. Get your feet off the ground, man. Hey. Now you know how it goes. How it goes. Hey. You know how it is. Doi. Ha, ha. Other side. Tada. Back to the spots. Yeah? Kunja mguu. Kunja mguu. Open up. Open up. Open up the chest. Those legs are our focus today. So I need you to work your legs, yeah? Kidogo tu. Hey. Hapo tu. Ndio hiyo. Again. Go low. Ha. Imagine you warm up too. Ha. Eye on the spot. Yeah, I am already. So, today you've seen we're stretching out the legs a lot. So today we'll be working on mostly the legs, lower body manenos, so that when you're going up the stairs, you don't have to sit down, you're walking, you're running, your movements are stress-free, because hizo muscles umezijenga, you know. So it's going to be very simple. We'll start with something that's familiar to us. It's called a crab walk. So first you get into a squat position, you drop a bit, then you move to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. Alright? I hope meshika. Yeah? Let's see, you can try it out. Let me give you time. Ujaribu kidogo as I actively rest. Hey. Wewe. Imeweza? So are we ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. And down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Smile, man. 4. 6 more to go. 5 more. Hey. 4, 3. Almost there. This is the last one, I promise. And yay, tumemaliza. Yeah? If you need Maggi, hydrate. Hey, sip as you go. So let me know in the comment section, of course, after when we're done, at Lolwe TV Fitness, across all our social media pages. Let us know how you feel about the exercises. You know, what you got, what you didn't get, what you'd like us to repeat. And the best part is that unaweza kurudia kuwatch. Not that ikiisha, if you get this episode, well and good, but if you miss it or if you want to play it again, YouTube is your friend. Lolwe TV Kenya, you'll find us. You'll find Lolwe TV Fitness. Our sessions are going to be there. Alright, let's go to our second move. This one is racy, man. Army jacks with a twist. I'll show you. This is what we're doing. Sawa? Alright? Did you get? Hizo ni zangu tatu. Hey. Alright, let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Ha. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, I'm tippling. 8, 7. Hey, 5. Hey, 4 more. 3, 2. Last one. You got it. Hey. Yo. Almost lost my balance. Is it vitu? Hakuna kuzoea. You do it, you win it, you've got it. Active rest, honey. Hey. Ha. There you go. Active rest. Yes. Are you ready for the next one? Are you ready? Yeah? See I could dance. Now, today we're doing everything on the spot. We're not moving far. We're not using furniture or anything extra. Today is just purely us, you know. So that's the thing. So now we'll do a spot run. Tutakimbilia hapo pale uko, all right? So this is how. Yeah. So it depends on your intensity. If you want to get more, give more. So you can go lower and faster. If you just want to start, as long as you're active, you're moving, you have it. So this is you. If you're doing it easy. If you're going hard, you're here. Sawa, you'll feel a burn, but don't quit. When that burn checks in, that means you've got it. So no. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Watch it out. This is mommy. When you're done, and if you're getting your water, let me know in the comment section what you know, what you're feeling. Umesikiaje? Hey, tunarudia sasa. The other one, we did wide. Now we go to narrow. Sindio? Same thing, spot run. Tumesha rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Go lower. You can turn. It doesn't matter. Let's go. 5, 4. You're here, you're awake, you're able, just do it. That's all you need to do. So, hapa ni a game of balance. Mchezo wa balance. So we'll be kicking to the side. Yes? Alright? So, we'll do 10 for each side, alright? You can alternate them. So that means you do 20 as you go, or you can finish your 10 as you go. Break it down, just finish your 20. So no, it doesn't matter. Speed yako, as long as you finish, it's alright. Alright? So let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hey, we switch. Hey, are we ready? Ooh, my laces came off. So, as you also turn your side, I fix my laces. No, yes. So, this other side. That is if you're doing on one side. So, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hey, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suzumeisha. Suzumeisha. That wasn't so hard, was it? Was it? Yeah? So, again, on the spot. Mambo raisi. I'll show you from the side so that you see what I'm doing. To the drivers in the house, this will be very familiar. This movement is very familiar. So, this is the trick. You start wherever position you want to be. If you want to put your hands here, upper, juu, shauri yako. So we'll be stepping and going back. Stepping and going back. Stepping. Sawa? Alright. So, assume the driver's position. Are we ready? We're strapped in, buckle up. Watoto wamekaa nyuma. Mama nyumba amekaa pale. Si ndio? Sisi twende. Ama kama ni mama nyumba, then Zaya is there. Ndio? So, you go low. Yes, both my knees are bent. So, because this is the movement you're aiming for. Yes, you lift your toe. Yes, while your heel stays on the ground. So we go step and back, step and back, step, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It is only fair if we switch to this side. Yes? But now you have an idea of what's coming. You know? Yeah? Tunabadilisha hiyo pande ingine. Are we ready? Let's go. Twende. Step and back. Step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How was that? Eko ngumu. Sindio? Aya, as you catch your breath and drink your water and wake up your neighbor, sister, brother, and everyone else. Turudie sasa from the top. No. Let's do this all the way from the top. So, of course, you remember what we did first. We did a crab walk to the side, 4 steps and tap, and then we did the army jack with a squat. All right. So, raisi, tutashikanisha. Okay, let's finish with the crab walk. Ooh, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hey. Tap. Watch my hands. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey. Yes? That wasn't so hard. That wasn't so bad. So, again, let's add one last one. Sindio, tumaliza na spot run. As we sign off. 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. We start with narrow and we go wide. China hapa. That's 4. That's 6. That's 8. And 10. Ha. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, kunyoni maji by the way. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching us every other day. Yani, I know you're watching us every day. Monday mpaka Sunday. Nawaona. So, karibuni sana to Lolwe TV Fitness. For those who just joined us today, and for our continuing viewers, asanteni sana. You guys have been brilliant. Thank you for introducing your friends, your family to our programs. So, our handles are running right below your screen. I'm trying to catch a breath. Yeah, they're running just below your screen. So, let us know. Comments, suggestions, questions, anything you'd like to know about us, about the show. Feel free. Ask us. It's all there. Somebody will definitely get back to you. I am Afrofab. Thank you so much for tuning in to Lolwe TV Fitness. Yeah? Come join us again another day. Yeah? Ukipata mazoezi zingine pale YouTube, Lolwe TV Kenya. Tune in. Fungua. Watch. Host a workout party. Senior. Yes? Ha. This is me, Afrofab, leaving you on a beat. Hey. See you next time. Okay.